All right, today we'll be doing WS 5.5b 2022. This is multiplying mixed numbers. I think you have to remember what multiplying mixed numbers is. You have to put the mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's take a real easy one to start with. 1.5. Sorry, slide that over. 1.5. You have to take 1 times 2 and then add the 1. So 1 times 2 is 2 plus the 1 gives me 3 halves. Let's say we're taking that times 1 and 1/4. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5/4. And then you can multiply the numbers straight across. You can check for cross reduction. There isn't any. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 4 is 8. You can take 15 divided by 8, and that would go in there 1 7/8 would be your answer. And I'll go over that in more detail here on one of the problems. So let's do 3. 4 2/3 times 3/4. So let's make this into a whole number, a mixed improper fraction. We'll make the sorry about that. We'll make this mixed number into an improper fraction and rewrite this problem. This one's going to be okay because it's just a fraction. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2. We have 14/3. Now you can multiply those straight across. You'd have 42/12, but I'm going to do some little reduction here. I'm going to do 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. I can also divide by 2 this direction. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So when I multiply across, 7 times 1 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. I end up with 7 halves. Let's just show you how you can divide that. That means 7 divided by 2. Of course, it goes into 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6, and you got 1 left over. So here's your answer, 3 1/2. 3 1/2. Now it's no different with a whole number. This is really easy too. You just do 1 times 9. I'll get my thing set up here. This is 3. We're just going to put the 3 over a 1 and make it into a fraction. We can do that. 1 times 9 is 9, plus 4 is 13/9. Now I can't do anything with the 13 and 1 to reduce, but I can reduce here. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So when I multiply across, I end up with 13/3. Let's do this again. 13 divided by 3. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. So I have 4 1/3. 4 1/3. Let's do this one down here. It's a little more complicated. 2 mixed numbers. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11/4. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1, this makes 5 halves. I got nothing here for cross reducing. I got nothing here. They don't share anything other than 1. So we'll just multiply across. 11 times 5 is 55. 4 times 2 is 8. So I have 55 divided by 8. I'll do it over here this time. 55 divided by 8. 6 times 8 is 48. I think that's as close as we're going to get. Looks like you have 7 left over. So it's 6 7/8 is our answer here. 6 7/8. All right, good luck.